am Haima Minkalneni, President of Hindu Temple of Atlanta, Riverdale. We are starting the unique celebration, Sri Mahalakshmi Koti Kumarchana Mahotsavam. It will start on Akshaya Tadiya, May 16, 2010, Sunday. We have contemplated to do this great puja for many years. Finally, we were able to start this Mahotsavam on May 16, 2010 on Sunday. This 3 months program will conclude with Astalakshmi Yagam on August 20th on Varalakshmi Vratam Day. This is a once-in-a-lifetime event happening in front of you in Atlanta. Please do not miss this opportunity and be a part of this Mahotsav. Goddess Lakshmi gives both material and spiritual wealth to the devotees. There are 10 priests coming from India to do this special puja. Many of them are trained in Tirumala Veda Pathasala and also in Jira Institute. They will be chanting Sri Mahalakshmi Sahasranamam 100 times, thereby reciting Sri Mahalakshmi name 100,000 times. Over a 3 months period, it will be 1 crore times. This is the first time Koti Kumkumarchana for Goddess of Lakshmi being performed in the southeast region. This was done 10 years ago in Pittsburgh. Like I said, it's a rare opportunity all of us to witness and become part of this Mahotsavam. As you know, this 3-month celebration is an expensive proposition to the temple. Keeping this significance of Hindu practices and aspirations of the devotees, the temple board has decided to do this great Mahotsavam. I request each one of you to come and support this event and be a participant. Please do visit the temple. It will be a feast to your eyes. May the blessings of the Sri Mahalakshmi be always with you. Hari Om.